Viewers, Supreme Court is all set to resume the hearing in the Waqf matter today. The Apex Court is hearing a batch of 73 petitions challenging the constitutionality of Waqf Amendment Act, which was recently passed by the Parliament and came into effect on 8th of April. The bench was in fact about to pass an interim order, but it put the order on hold at the last minute after Solicitor General Tushar Mehta sought to be heard for some more time, and the court then stated that it would hear the matter again on 17th of April, which is today, before passing the order. So in just a few minutes from now, we are learning that the hearing in the Supreme Court is set to resume, but during the course of the hearing yesterday on critical points of contention, the Supreme Court had some posers for both the petitioners as well as the centre. It is day 2 of the hearing in the Supreme Court today, and it will be very important to see the observations that will be made, what will be there in the order that is going to be passed, the interim order that's going to be passed by the top court today. Remember, Supreme Court had indicated that it is considering staying the operation of certain parts of the contentious Waqf Act 2025. Priyank as well as Deepankar live with us right now for this big story of the day. Good afternoon to both of you. Priyank, to you first. What can be expected in the hearing once it is resumed today in the top court?
The breaking input which we are getting for our viewers, because for the last 24 hours they have been waiting eagerly to listen to the update from the Apex Court. The bench has assembled according to our senior editor Harish Nair, who will be reporting from the Supreme Court, and we will be trying to compile the information and tell our viewers that what exactly the court is trying to say. What we are getting to know that the bench has assembled, and S.G. Mehta has already started arguing before the bench, where he is saying that I wish to say something with great respect, responsibility. Your Lordship is dealing with
Priyank,
this.
I'm just interrupting you there.